gonna do a quick review. We're gonna
Get some burritos.
get some burritos out.
Steak for him, veggie for me, and
Chicken for my parents. We'll see you inside. All right.
Hey yo, listen to what I'm saying. I ain't gonna bail now. I love you like the wind, girl. Hey yo, listen to what I'm saying. I ain't hesitating. I never play that game, no. You know me better than that, huh? You say you understand, but you ain't got no faith in me. I'd give up everything to change the way you see. Hey, oh, listen to what I'm saying. I ain't gonna fail, no. I love you like the wind, girl. I love you like the wind, girl. Waiting for you to play.
We got the
Veggie on smoked cheddar tortilla.
what is it?
Veggie burrito on smoked cheddar tortilla.
Okay. And then she also got a Waterloo watermelon soda.
This tortilla is the best.
The chili anchovy and
Smoked cheddar.
smoked cheddar. So you approve of it?
Bite?
Yeah.
I like it. Guacamole, veggies, rice, beans.
Lots of aluminum foil. Kind of a waste. I'm trying to be more earth friendly, but you know, what can you do?
Come on. Come on, honey.
come on.
Come on.
So I got the best steak burrito, the number 9. The lady just almost fell over right there.
Look, it's kind of crispy.
Kind of crispy. I'm gonna take a try.
Looks hot.
There's nothing in the way now. I hope you come around, yeah. I hope you come around, yeah. Forever, it's what you promised me, girl. But now you've gone astray, yeah. I promise you whatever. I promise you forever. You say you understand, but you ain't got no faith in me. I'd give up everything to change the way you see. Hey, oh, listen to what I'm saying. I ain't gonna fail, no. I love you like the wind, girl. I love you like the wind, girl.
We're back from Cabo Bob's. We had lunch over there.
A huge burrito. I suggest you don't wear too tight jeans because they're gonna become like very tight.
So, I'm gonna rate my. We've been to Cabo Bob's at least one time before, and this was our second time. And last time we never really talked about it much, but this time we're kind of documenting it. But anyways, I had the number 7 beef super, or what was it? The
Beef and queso.
just the beef burrito, but it was like called something like the super beef burrito or something. But it was really good. It had so much stuff in it though that I couldn't taste the beef totally taste it. So that, you know, I might next time I go, I'm gonna probably make my own burrito instead of picking out a, pre-made one. Um, yeah, so it was really good. What did you think of yours? What did you have?
Mine was a vegetarian burrito with by default it goes with green tortillas, a tomatillo, and something else. But I picked a smoked cheddar tortilla, and it was really good. There was like some roasted veggies, beans, they call it baja beans, and rice and guacamole. So it was so filling. And burrito is heavy, huge. And we bring another one for Alex's mom's, and it's gonna be chicken and red salsa
Yeah,
tortilla.
yeah. So overall, I think Cabo Bob's is a really good option if you want to have a pretty decently priced lunch. It was around $10 for each of the burritos. I think you can probably, if you make your own, you could probably get them for around $7 or $8. Since we got pre-chosen ones, they're a little bit more expensive. Got sodas. The sodas are, it's like a fountain style, and they have their own. Um,
Baja, Mr. Baja.
yeah, they have their own like specialty sugarcane sodas, and so it's not like your standard like Coke and all this. But they did have Diet Dr Pepper and Coke Zero. So if that's what you want, you can also get that. That's a choice. And then they also have a frequent dining card that they punch.
Buy six burrito, get
Yeah,
one free.
yeah. So every time you get a burrito, they give you one punch, and after you've eaten 6 times or gotten 6 burritos, you get one for free. So I thought that's a pretty good, that's a pretty good program there. Doesn't take long to get a free burrito. So it's located in the Galleria. I'll put the link to the website for Cabo Bob's at the in the description below. Anyways, yeah, that's our adventure to Cabo Bob's. We'll see you later.